Hi guys, welcome to Everything Blockchain. Today we are diving into Resolv. Resolv introduces USR, a stablecoin pegged to the USD and backed by ETH, similar to MetaDAO. And with a TVL of over 650 million currently, Resolv stands out for its dual token system utilizing RLP for security. The Resolv token is confirmed, boasting governance features and an enticing point program designed to reward active participants. So let's explore how you can maximize your rewards. To prepare for the upcoming TGE, they are running this point program to boost engagement and reward users. If you want to know more about the protocol, I have dropped the relevant links in the description box for you. So this is the Resolv protocol. Let's head to portfolio. You have USR, which you can buy right here from the protocol itself. It has an APR of 10.51%. You could even buy RLP, which has a 30-day APR of over 34.79%. We head to points. And as you can see here, there are points for holding USR on Base and Ethereum, holding RLP on Base and Ethereum, also boosts that I will talk about later. But there are certain activities that you can do to earn points, and these are all listed here. I'm going to be taking you through some of these activities, but before that I want to tell you that I did these activities on different days, and the reason for that also I will mention. Let's head to airdrop and swap some USDC for USR. Over here I'm going to be swapping 101 USDC to USR. Once that's done, I'm going to head to Pendle. And in the USR market, I'm going to opt for the USR YT, as you can see over here. I'm going to buy it for the entire amount, which is about $100. Switch the network to Base, approve USR, and then approve the transaction. Now in the dashboard, you can see the YT USR right here. And it expires on 24th April 2025. Now we go back to Aerodrome. Like I said, I did different activities on different days because I realized that if you do over 7 activities, you get a boost. So this is me swapping some USDC to USR. I'm going to swap about $200 worth. I'm also going to be getting some RLP. So I'm going to swap 10 USR for RLP. Once that's done, let's head to the points portal and see that right here we have completed 3 activities so far. We have swapped USDC for USR, which means we hold USR on Base, we hold RLP on Base, and we also hold the Pendle USR YT on Base. Now next we are going to provide liquidity to USR USDC and USR RLP on Aerodrome. So let's head back. Under the liquidity tab, we choose this particular pool, which is concentrated stable USR RLP. Choose the narrow range. Enter the amount. I'm entering about 10 USR. Click on deposit and complete the transaction. We will also provide liquidity to the USDC USR pool. So over there, I'm going to put in about $50 worth of USR, allow USR, allow USDC, and then deposit into the pool. So that's now a total of 5 activities that we have completed. We do have to complete 2 more activities in order to get the boost that I was talking about. So we head to EULA. If you supply USR and USDC on the EULA base market, you get those 2 activities that I was talking about. So we go to the vault for USR, click on supply, enter the amount. I am going to enter, let's say about $100. Click on add to queue, switch the network, accept the terms of use, read and accept, click on execute. We approve the vault in the smart contract wallet. Then we execute the batch transaction and we are done. Now you can view your portfolio or your account right here. The account shows the USR that I have supplied. I could even use it as collateral to borrow. All you have to do it is enable as collateral and then approve the transaction. Let's go back and open the USDC vault where we are going to supply USDC now. Has a supply APY of 19.7%, as you can see. Going to supply 100 USDC here as well and follow the similar procedure, which is approve and then execute the transaction. Click on execute, approve, and then execute batch transaction, and we're done. So with that, we've completed 7 activities. Let's go through them. Providing liquidity on Aerodrome, supplying USDC USR on Euler, then holding the USR YT on base, and holding USR and RLP both on base. Now their dashboard is buggy. The points do not update right, but don't worry. 7 activities would give you the highest boost, that is the gold boost. So let me tell you how you can boost your Resolv points. So when you jump on board, use our referral to get an instant 20% boost on your points. That's the referral boost. You can use yours to onboard other users in turn. And then activities which I just spoke about, we did 7 together, all on base because I wanted it to be pocket friendly. Transacting on Ethereum can burn a hole. And there are bonus boosts that you can get by depositing on Hyperliquid or using Dinero. So if you want to do that, go ahead. So this video showed how you can take advantage of these activities to maximize your points and position yourself for rewards ahead of the TGE. Make sure to follow Resolv on Twitter and join their Discord for updates on their TGE date and governance plan. That's the full walkthrough, guys. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more. I'll be back soon. Till then, take care. Bye.